Today we're going to do asparagus inspired by the recipe grilled asparagus with fava beans and walnuts from the book 6 Seasons. The ingredients we're going to need for this recipe is asparagus, breadcrumbs, lemons, Parmesan, walnuts, pepper, salt, and oil. So the first step we're going to do for this recipe is we're going to take our asparagus and then we're going to cut the ends off of our asparagus. Now, with a knife, we're going to chop our walnuts. Now you can grill the asparagus on a grill, on your barbecue, or on a grill pan with no oil. Now we're going to add some pepper and salt to a Parmesan, then add our breadcrumbs and our walnut, and we're going to mix it with some oil. Now we're going to take our topping and we're going to put it on it, and then we're done. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.